Dockworkers at East and Gulf Coast ports from Maine to Texas began walking picket lines on October 1st, and reports suggest that the strike could cause price increases and shortages for large and small retailers. The height of the COVID-19 pandemic may have been 4 years ago, but people apparently still remember the toilet paper shortage that befell U.S. consumers. According to multiple news outlets, including CNN and a local station in Houston, shoppers are once again flocking to stores to panic buy the product. However, those same reports indicate that this very act is more likely to cause empty shelves than the dockworkers strike. Referencing the Center for Land Use Interpretation, KHOU reported that 90% of toilet paper consumed in the US is produced domestically. The remaining 10% is mostly imported from Mexico and Canada. KHOU added that 80% of toilet paper production originates from 3 companies, Kimberly-Clark, Georgia-Pacific, and Procter & Gamble, all American companies. The work stoppage could, however, impact other goods if the strike persists for over a month. CNN reported that this includes perishable items such as bananas, with nearly 100% of the US supply being imported. Other affected goods could include chocolate, specialty meats, and alcoholic beverages. KHOU cited supply chain and logistics expert Margaret Kidd, who said an extended strike could boost prices, but added that consumers do not need to buy groceries in bulk. Retailers have also adapted since the pandemic by securing orders early and stocking goods in their warehouses to ensure availability during disruptions. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.